Vivek, today I will explain you about control statement used in program.
Sir, what is control statement?
Vivek, control statement is used to control the flow of execution in programming. Vivek, control statements are two types. First, conditional statement and second, looping statement. Conditional statements mainly divided into three parts. First, if statement, second, if else statement, and third, switch case statement. To understand the flow of execution, look on the board. If input total percentage of marks is greater than 80, then condition become true and the flow of execution follow the true path and produce the result as excellent. If input total percentage of marks is less than 80, then condition become false. Flow of execution follow the false path and produce the result needs to improvement.
Sir, what are the different situations where conditional statement are required?
Vivek, to understand the situation, let's move toward the school playground, where for the inter-school sport competition, our school organized a sports trial process to finalize teams for different categories. Vivek, in this trial event, performance of students is measured by 10-point performance scale. For each best tricks of the games, 1 point will be awarded to the participant. Vivek, first we are going to visit the cricket ground. Vivek, as you can see on the trial scoreboard, for the selection of senior cricket team member, the only criteria is the trial score should be greater than or equal to 8.
Sir, there is only one choice for participation.
You are right, Vivek. Vivek, this type of situation in programming where only one choice is needs to execute, then it is done by conditional if statement. Vivek, this type of situation in programming where the execution of the statement is processed only when the condition is true is known as conditional if statement.
I understand, sir.
Vivek, let's move towards the football ground.
Okay, sir.
Vivek, as we can see on the criteria board, there are two choices. In first choice, if trial score is more than 8, then the participant is eligible for senior football team. In the second choice, if the trial score is more than 5 and less than 8, then participant is eligible for junior football team.
Sir, the selection process of the junior and senior football team is based on two different conditions. If the participant unable to meet the first condition, then he will be considered under second condition. If he unable to meet the second condition, he is not eligible for football team.
Very good, Vivek. Vivek, in this type of situation in programming, we use conditional if else statement. Vivek, let's move toward the basketball ground. Vivek, as you can see on the trial scoreboard, participants can select any games on the basis of their trial score. Vivek, in programming, this type of situation where only one statement execute from multiple condition is handled by switch statement.
Sir, I clearly understand the different situations of real life where we are using the conditional statement. Sir, how can I implement the conditional statements in Java?
Okay, Vivek. In next class, I will explain you in detail to use the conditional statement, like what are the syntax, how the flow of program execution process in sequential order, using flowchart, and also we will be programming some real life problem. Hi everyone, first of all I want to say thanks to all of you for giving lots of loves and appreciation to the OpenTech Learning Classroom in such a short period. And I want to suggest to my friends, students, teachers and parents, please request to the student, don't sit idle in front of video. They should note down the important concept and real life situations examples to memorize in future. And I also requested to my students they should reasoning on the concept and real life situations to analyze the actual problem so that you can easily grasp and memorize the concept permanently. And if you feel any problem, then please write and comment. I will solve your problem within 24 hours. And I want favor to all of you to help and support our team member. Please like and subscribe to the OpenTech Learning Classroom so that we can improve the quality of content and ensure the availability of content free of cost to all of the students who are unable to pay for such type of services. Thank you friend.